2, go! Hi everyone. Guess what I have here. So actually I have splurged again. So this just came in the mail. I'm going to unbox it right now in front of the camera. So if there's any problems, I can use this as evidence and go and exchange for a new one. But anyway, let me just open this up. Well, guess what I bought this time? Oh. Yes, I bought the keychron K7. This is their new Kickstarter project that just came out. Actually, this arrived in the mail a couple of weeks ago, but I didn't get a chance to open it until now. So let's get started and open this up. Right. Okay, so as you can see, the production is pretty good. We have the instructions card, we have additional keys. This can be used for either the Mac or the PC. Then we have the USB cable, the keycap puller. So yes, this is an exchangeable keyboard, hot swappable, as they said. Right, so this is the start of the show. Wow, this looks really nice. Okay, this looks heavy. Oh, don't have any flex at all. It looks like a feels like a metal bag, metal casing. Yes, it's cold, it's metal. And let's turn it on. So we have the USB-C port for charging. We have the Bluetooth and the Mac or Windows keys here. So let me turn it on again. Oh, you can't see it, but yes. Can you see it? It's really nice RGB. Okay. Yep. Ooh, nice. So what I've got is actually the blue switch. I saw online that the brown and blue switch are similar under the tactile keys category. Just that these brown keys are actually quieter. Oh. Feels good. Well, that's all folks, bye. Okay, so if you are still watching, let me compare it to my, what's this? This is K3. Okay, so let me turn it off first. So this is actually the blue switches, which is a bit louder, and the brown keys, they are quieter, so that I don't annoy the rest of the people around me. And you can see it is smaller by one row of keys. The function keys are missing, are not there, so actually it's more portable. The functions keys are actually combined into the numbers key row. So you have a function 1 and a function 2 here, so that you can change the different functions. And one is for changing the color of the lights, and one is for activating the functions key. Oh, right. Why I wanted to buy this actually more as well. This is the, you can't see it, the legs. The legs. So you have 2 levels of adjustments for the legs. You can adjust the different heights. It's so good. Okay, as well, since it's free shipping, so I got myself a palm rest, and this is the key switches tester kit, and I have a bag of min keys. So I probably upload a video with the different keycaps, see which one I like best. Okay. So let me open this. Wow. Good. Okay. Oh, it looks nice. Okay, so there's anti-slip feet here. So it goes really well with the keyboard. Looks very nice. Ooh. Looks very nice. Okay, so yep, I have as well. Damn. Oopsie. The key tester. Ooh. So actually this has 12 different types of keys, different colors, different tactile feels. So next time if I get bored of the brown keys or the blue keys, I know which one to buy. Okay, so if anyone of you want to get this, you can just let me know. Alright, so yeah, let me, last item of this video, let me open up and get one of these min keys out to see what is the difference. Well, the min keys sound feels a bit softer than the brown. Feels the same actually. So this bump actually feels a bit earlier than the brown switches. Alright, I guess, yeah, I'm gonna keep clean up the mess, and well, that's all folks. Ciao, bye.